going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. My name is Maximus, and today we are going to be getting this RC truck right here. In the last video, we put some ice tires on it. It was pretty cool, and before that, a couple videos before, we mounted an automatic airsoft gun on the top of it. But today's video, we are going to be getting some saw blades. And we're going to mount these saw blades in this place of the tires. And then what we're going to do is take it to a forest or a park, a wooded area, and we'll see how it performs. It might do really well, or it might just dig itself into a hole. So now I'm going to go ahead, take these tires off, put the saw blades on, and then let's go take it to the park and see what it does. I'm going to put a washer on first, and then put the tire on. We got some thread locker to put on the threads so the nut does not come off. Alright guys, so we're out here at the park, so we're gonna go ahead, turn this thing on, and we'll see how it works. And it looks like we're stuck. Oh yeah, look at these tires. Give it a little push. And it's still stuck. Alright guys, so the truck wouldn't make it up the hill. The blades started slipping more and more because they're not actually mounted onto the shaft. They're kind of just sitting on there with this bolt trying to pinch them together. But that's just how they're sitting on there, so this isn't gonna make it up the hill. It completely stopped driving. Alright guys, so the saw blades didn't work that well. It was a cool idea, but to make them really work, you'd have to custom make some sort of fitting, so no matter what, when the shaft turns, the blade would turn, but they were slipping a lot. So now, just to show you how inefficient those blades are, I put the normal tires back on. So we're gonna do a little bit of video recording with the normal tires, just so you can see how powerful this truck is. Look at it, go right through the deep grass, no problem. Whoops. So yeah, this truck with the normal tires can make it much further than the saw blades. It's a cool idea, but honestly, it's just not practical. But if you guys enjoy the video, make sure to like and subscribe. Make sure to turn on notifications so you get notified when the next video comes out. You can also follow me on Instagram and TikTok at KB_KingBuilds. I'll put the name up on the screen at the end of the video. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.